Hello?
Yes, yes.
Okay. So can you tell me, guys, where have we ended our last class? Can you tell me where did we end our last class?
Zipkin server.
Yeah, we have seen how to develop admin server. We have seen how to develop a Eureka server, right? I hope you can see my screen, right? See, this is the way to develop Eureka server, right? So what is the dependency, guys? If you want Eureka server, if you want to build a Eureka server, what was the dependency?
That
Spring Cloud, Spring Cloud
starter we have to
starters.
put in pom.xml first.
Yeah, that's what. No, that dependency name I'm asking you guys. Come on.
Okay.
Hello? Yeah.
Spring Cloud
Mm, mm,
starter
mm. The
Netflix
Netflix
Eureka
in the
server
server. Very good. Okay. And what was the annotation, guys? We should use at the class run the
at the
class.
rate enable
Enable
Eureka server.
Very good. Very good. Right. And this is the way you should do. And I told you there are two ways of registering the clients. Can you tell me those? Anyone?
Oh, manually or the way automated?
What do you mean by manual registration of Eureka server? Manual registration of your client with the service registry or Eureka server? Can you tell me that?
We use a spring.client register with Eureka for a true attribute.
Yeah. That is manual registration. Okay. What do you mean by automatic registration?
Uh,
if you are using server port like port code is 8761, then it will do automatic
Very good.
race.
Very good, guys. Yes. Very good. Okay. Can you tell me what is admin server, guys? Come on. What is admin server?
Admin server is used to monitor all the microservices.
Okay.
So admin server is used to monitor and managing the logs and port code.
Okay. And what is the purpose of Jipkin server?
So Zipkin server is tracing the
Request
survey
tracing the
request
request.
and response. How much APIs are taking time? So those.
Correct. Very good. Very good, guys. Very good. Yeah. So let us start slowly, guys, today. Okay. So today from there we'll continue. Okay. Right. So the thing is, okay, we will develop. Okay. We will develop two clients. One is order service, one is payment service. Okay. So the order service will try to communicate with the payment service via Fin client. Okay. We will develop two clients. Okay. Guys, the ones who have pinged me yesterday, I haven't sent the notes yet. Okay. Today I will send, guys. Okay. After completing the class and the drive links and the security recordings too, that links. Okay. So anyone don't have this number, just take a picture and send. After the class, I will send you. Okay. In the today, maybe evening today, I will send you the notes and uh, the recording links and everything. Okay. Right. Okay. Sorry.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Okay. Thank you. Yep. Let us slowly develop the payment service, guys. Okay. First, we'll develop what? Come on. Payment service. Okay. Uh, we will develop two clients, namely, come on, payment service, okay, order service. Okay. Okay. Guys, can you tell me how to develop client? Come on. The steps to develop the client application. Come on, guys. The steps to develop the client application. Anyone?
So I think first we need to add a dependency. Like we need to register this payment service into Eureka server.
Mm-hmm. See here. The first dependency is we need Eureka discovery client. Okay. Right. And the second dependency is, come on, admin client. And the third one is Jipkin client. Okay, Jipkin. And the fourth one is starter web. Spring Boot, starter web. Guys, can you tell me what does the starter web represents? What can we do with the web dependency? Come on.
We can request the services.
We can apply.
We can
Yeah,
request
We
the
can develop
services.
web applications.
we can like controller, service annotations,
Right.
and get mapping, post mapping, okay, put mapping, okay. Likewise, these kind of calls we can implement by using starter web, okay. Then dev tools. Can you tell me, guys, what is the purpose of dev tools?
Restart, refresh and restart, fresh restart.
Okay, fresh restart. Very good. One minute.
Sunil, this Eureka server client is used the dependencies to represent we are the client application.
No.
What is the purpose of the dependency? Because in Discovery server we added Eureka server. Here Eureka client, right?
In Eureka, we have client and like server. So one will be like if you want your service to be client, you should add that particular, and for receiving, you will be adding the that particular dependency. Like we have client and server Eureka.
Okay, then how it is registering? Because Eureka server, when we create the Eureka server itself is registered as a client initially, if you see in this Eureka dashboard. Because we added the Eureka server dependency, but even we added
Sorry, guys.
also,
Sorry, guys.
it registered.
Please ask me doubts. Sorry, guys. My manager called me. Yeah. Please ask me now. I went for a call. Yeah. Guys, any doubts? Hello?
Yeah,
Hello, guys.
regarding that Eureka client dependency is
Okay. Eureka discovery client, I'll show you. Okay. Basically, yesterday we
okay.
have seen Eureka server while developing the Eureka server application, right? Today, as the client should register with Eureka, so that's why we'll go for Eureka client. Yesterday we have developed admin server. Today, as the client should register with admin, that's why we'll go for admin client. Okay. Zipkin is a normal dependency. It's nothing to do with Zipkin. Have the dependency of Zipkin automatically. Our client application will be registered in the Zipkin. No need to do anything for Zipkin. Okay. We need to do manual registration for Eureka discovery client, Eureka and admin only. Zipkin, no need to do anything. Okay. Starter web means what, guys? Come on. Starter web means all web-based annotations like service, controller, mappings, post mapping, put mapping, get mapping, those kind of annotation will get with the starter web. And dev tools means what, guys? Like dev tools means it automatically enable restart. Okay. When we do some change and you do control S, automatically the dev tools will trigger the server again. Okay. Restart the server again automatically. No need to manually pause the server and restart again. Okay, clear?
Discovery client is to register our microservices in the Eureka server, right?
Correct.
Okay.
That's the same thing.
Okay, Sunil. If you see Eureka server when we create now, first of all, Eureka server itself is registered in the Eureka server, right?
Correct. And then we removed. No, yesterday I have shown how to
Yeah, we
deregister.
removed. My doubt is even we added the Eureka server, Eureka discovery server dependency also itself it's registered, right? We didn't use client dependency there. Only discovery server dependency we added. Even if we use it as a server also itself it's registered in the Eureka server, right?
But why you are asking why, right?
Yeah.
Because I told you yesterday there is a concept of automatic registration. If you are running on the port 8761, any client should register automatically. Even if we develop the client now, as we are on the 8761, no need to write Spring Boot register with Eureka equal to true. You got the point.
So it is like it is a bridge between two services. Like those two services will automatically register into that server, particular client server.
Yes, if the server is running on 8761, no need to do any manual registration. That's what happened yesterday, right? Dinesh, are you clear? I think you are the one that asked me that question.
Yeah, yes, clear. Yeah, thank you.
Okay, that's what. So yesterday we are running. It is running on 8761. That's why no need to. We haven't registered any manual registration. That is automatic registration. Okay. Today I will show you the manual and automatic again. Okay. Okay, and the last one is actuator, guys. Okay, actuator. Okay, right. Right. So that's it, guys. This is the way we will develop all these things. Okay. Okay. Microservices. Okay. Payment service. Guys, is that okay? Payment service. We'll give the name payment service, guys. Okay. And then see Maven Java 17 packaging jar language Java com.example package Sunil.ds. Okay. Right. Guys, is that okay so far? Yeah. Now see here. Eureka discovery client. Okay. Then admin. Code centric. See, I told you guys, admin server is not part of Eureka Spring Cloud. Okay. It is coming from which company? Come on. Code centric Spring Boot admin. Okay. This is the third party company which is developing the, come on, admin server. Okay. Then Jipkin. Just add this server, add this one. That's it. Okay. Nothing to do for Jipkin. Okay. And then Dev Tools. Then Spring Web. Okay. Guys, do you have any doubts with any of the dependencies? Dev Tools to automatically enable the restart of the server. Jipkin is for tracing the request. Okay. Code-centric Spring Boot admin is for to check the health and URL mappings and logs of the application. And Eureka Discovery Client is to make the server, to show the see the status of the application up or down and port number which it is running likewise. And Spring Web is the one which will provide the web-based annotations and dependencies. Okay. Guys, are you clear so far?
Yes, yes.
Okay, let's move for next and finish. Okay, 6 dependencies, guys. Okay, back. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Actuator we left. Huh? Better to add actuator also.
Actuator is needed because we have a admin server now. So
correct. To sync up with admin server, we need actuator dependency, guys. Okay, right? So that we can monitor all the health related things in the admin server. Because of this actuator, as we are using actuator, okay, it will automatically, populate things in the admin server. Okay, I'll show you guys. Okay, once the application is developed, I will show you everything. Okay, just wait. Okay, next, finish. That's it. Yes, any plans just today after the class? Anyone have any plans to go out or something like that? Why guys, you won't speak, huh? Hello?
yeah, nothing.
Okay. So today is match, right? I think people are
Yeah.
6 o'clock, right? What do you think? India will win or lose today?
India will win.
Win, na? Okay.
Let's hope for the best.
Yes, correct. India.
Yes.
Hope they will reach semi-final. Okay. Right. It is developed, guys. Okay. Now you see here. The next one is what, guys? At the rate enable discovery client. Am I correct? That's the annotation we should use. Okay. Okay. 1 minute. Just let's complete the steps, guys. Okay. Let us complete these steps. Okay. This is step 1. Okay. And step 2 is what, guys? Configure @enable discovery client. Okay. Configure @enable discovery client discovery client annotation at the start class. Okay. Then create a REST controller with the small logic. Okay. Create a sample REST controller, guys. Okay. Sample REST controller. Okay. Then configure the properties in, come on, application.yaml file. Guys, are you clear with the steps to develop the client app? Hello, people, are you clear with the steps?
Yes.
Guys, my voice is clearly audible today. At least some...
Yes, yes.
Okay, okay. Thank you, guys. Thank you. You know, yesterday it was a concern for me. Okay, right. Yeah. So the second step, @enable. Come on, discovery. Okay. There's something they will ask for admin thing also. 1 minute. There is in the newer versions. I somewhere I read. Okay, but I'm not exactly. Okay, no need. But if something is required, we'll see. Okay. Something, you know, there is some annotation to register with the admin also. But I hope it is not required. But somewhere I read. Okay, you know, we should go for admin annotation also for to register with the admin server. Okay. But if it is not up and if it is not working, we'll check. Okay. At that time. Okay.
So this enable discovery client, it will register our microservice in Eureka server only, right?
Exactly.
To register our microservice in admin server also, we have any annotation?
No, no annotation in the older versions, but somewhere I read, I'm telling, somewhere I read, you know, we need some annotation to register in the admin client also. Okay. But as we use the dependency, I'm telling no annotation required. But if it is not working, okay, we will check it. Okay.
Yeah, sure.
Because it should be done on live only. Okay. Because we can't say anything. Okay. Right. Okay. See here, first let us make this application up. As our Eureka server is running on port number 8761, no need to do any manual registration. The manual registration is optional. Guys, are you clear here? Okay. Right? Let us try to register this one with every microservice. Sorry, every server. Okay. We have a Jipkin server, we have admin server, we have a Eureka server. First, let us see how to register this service with the Eureka server. Okay. Right. Any doubts, guys? Guys, this small but see, you can see here, this is our from March 5th we are starting one, what to say, Spring Boot and Maxis batch. Okay, anyone want to register? Yeah, you can click on this link. Okay, you will be diverted, you will be, you know, you'll get the link. Yeah, morning 8:30 a.m. guys. Okay, March 5th. Okay, yeah, Thursday. Okay, see guys, now you see, you can see here registered instance microservice payment service. Right. See guys, registered instance microservice payment service with Eureka. Okay. Okay, guys, are you clear? Okay, now see here, there are 3 servers running, guys. Okay, one is Eureka server, one is admin server, one is payment service. Okay, why it is terminated, man? Oh, it is 8080. Okay, okay, okay. Let us start this on. Come on, guys. Which number I will give? Which number you want to give? Any number you want to say? 8900. Okay, let us give this one. Let us start again. Guys, once we develop this payment service, then we'll develop order service. Okay. Then we will establish a communication via open fin. Okay. From order to payment. Okay. That's our target. Guys, please go on mute. Then we'll try to go for a load balancing. Okay. See, guys, registered instance, microservices, payment service. Okay. Right? Okay. Okay. Now let us see. Let us go to Eureka dashboard now. See, this is the, come on, what was this? Admin dashboard. This is the Jipkin dashboard. Where is the Eureka dashboard, guys? See here. See, the payment service came or not? Guys, is that clear so far? See, payment service is up and it is running on 8900. Guys, are you clear here?
Yes.
Now, let us change the Eureka server port number from 8761 to some other port number. Okay. Let us change the port number from 8761 to some other port number. And we'll stop Eureka. Where is the Eureka server? Yeah, we'll stop that. Okay. And let us change from 8761 to 8765. Okay. Now let us restart on the 8765. Okay. And we'll stop the payment also. Okay. So both are stopped. Let us restart again. Okay. Started microservices Eureka application on 8765, guys. Okay. Now let us see this automatic registration will happen or not. Okay. Guys, what do you think? This will happen or not? Automatic registration of Eureka will happen or not?
I think not. We should explicitly.
Yes, we should do explicit registration, guys. Okay. Right?
Yes.
What happened? See, microservices Eureka server was unable to refresh its cache the periodic value. See? Okay. Okay. It is up and running, but it is saying now let us refresh that. What is the Eureka server, guys? Now 8765, right? See, no instance got registered. Are you clear, guys? Now, hello. Now we'll try to do manual registration. Okay, we'll try to go for a manual registration. Okay, come on. What is that? Spring Boot, Spring dot, Eureka dot. What is that? Spring dot client. Yeah, sorry, I forgot. Yeah, Spring dot client dot. Come on, Eureka. Spring dot cloud. Yeah, discovery dot client dot. One minute, we'll go for here. We'll see that. Spring client register with Eureka. Okay, Eureka register with Eureka. Okay. I always advise don't remember this, but yeah. Okay, Spring client register with Eureka equal to true. Okay, this is what, guys? Is this a manual registration or automatic registration? Huh?
Manual.
Manual registration, right? Let us stop the payment and okay, as we have a dev tools, automatically that thing will be registered. Okay, or else we'll start again. Okay. Right. Not came up. Guys, 1 minute, 1 minute. There we should add some default zone property, guys. I forgot that. Okay, we should add some default zone properties. Okay, on which our Eureka is running. Okay, service URL. Okay, see here, Eureka dot client. Okay, Eureka dot client dot service URL. See here, service URL dot. There is something called default zone, guys. Anyone seen this default zone before?
Eureka client service one.
Eureka client dot service URL dot default zone. Okay, that's what I'm checking.
Okay.
One minute, or else we'll check from online. 1 minute. Go for chart. See guys, Eureka client service URL dot default zone. Okay. See, you should give 3 things, guys. Client, client register with Eureka equal true. Fetch registry means it should be true, and Eureka client service URL default zone. These 3 things should give. Okay, and we should change our port number because we are not running on 8761. Okay. Right. Let's always remember these 3 things we should give. Okay. Okay, right. So we are running on which port number, guys? 8765 or not? This is a manual registration or not? Okay. Okay. Yeah, see here, you can see, right? Microservices, payment service. Guys, are you clear? The manual registration process. Hello.
Yes.
Yes.
Just don't forget, okay, because I do have a bad memory, and I forgot. Okay, right. See, the default zone is very important, guys. Okay, the default zone is the one which will do the manual registration, and you should, on top of this, you should add these 2 things. Okay, Eureka client register with Eureka true, and Eureka client fetch registry equal to true, and you should give the default zone on which your Eureka is running currently. Okay, this is nothing but what, guys? Come on, manual registration. Okay, now we should register ourselves with what, guys? Come on, we should register ourselves with what? Hello, admin server or not?
Yes.
See, as I told, Jipkin server no need to do anything, right? So now let us see, is the Jipkin server was able to see this one or not? Okay, Jipkin server, where is this?
I have one question. So actually, admin server and Zipkin and these are all independent one, right? So no need of again register in the Eureka server, correct?
Yes, because these guys are independent servers. These are not any clients.
Okay. So only what are services we are creating externally? Those services only we need to register in the Eureka server, correct?
Correct.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you for clarity.
Guys, now I told you, just if you use the Jipkin dependency, nothing to do. See, automatically this one came or not? Okay.
Yes.
Okay, right. See, even though we haven't hit any request, okay. We haven't hit any request, okay, right? See, this is the way you can track on the Jipkin server, guys, okay, right? let us develop a small annotations. Payment controller. Okay, now see here, localhost 8900. Let us hit one request, guys. Let's hit one request. Okay. See, payment has been processed. Okay. See, guys, any request you hit right. Okay. That will tell you, okay, how much time it took likewise. Okay. How much time it took likewise. Okay. Less than a minute ago, about a minute ago. See. Okay. Guys, are you clear? See, guys, it is telling, see, HTTP get to pay. Okay. How much time it executed? 137.328 milliseconds. Okay. Guys, are you clear here? How much time it is taking the request? Hello, people. Guys, are you clear?
Yes, yes. It took almost milliseconds only.
Yeah, correct. Right? See here, that's what. You see here, something got. There is no method. Okay, pay. No, you can leave this. Just see the pay method only. Okay, for the latest one. Okay, pay method. Okay. Now let us hit again. If you want, you can hit again. Like same time only came. Yes, okay. Right. So this is the way you can track your requests on the Jipkin server, guys. Okay. And this is the way you can track your request on the your microservice on the Eureka server. Okay. Right. Guys, are you clear? Now let us see how to develop, how to register with admin server. Okay. Are you clear?
Yes.
Okay. Let us see how to register with the admin server. Okay. See here, spring dot boot dot c admin dot client dot URL. Okay, you should get the client dot URL. See spring dot boot dot admin dot client dot URL. Okay, yeah, this is the one, guys. Okay, and you should give the one the on which your admin server is running. Okay, just copy the admin server path and give it. Okay, there is that admin server. See here. Copy this. Right. See guys, your admin is running on port number what? Admin is running on port number 8085. Okay. And Eureka is running on how much port number guys? 8075, right? And your client is running on port number 808900. Just remember these port numbers. Okay. This is the admin. This is the 8075 is what guys? Eureka server. And the client where guys? No, sorry. That Jipkin where? 9411. 9411 for Jipkin. Guys, just you remember this one till you complete the class. Okay, Jipkin. Then the client is registering on 8900. Guys, are you clear so far? The client is registering on 8900. Guys, are you clear with these four guys?
Eureka server is on 8765, right?
Sure.
Sunil?
Sorry. Yeah. Thank you. 8765 guys. Yeah. Right. 8765. Yeah. See, you Eureka on 8765, admin on 8085. You can see here. And yeah. Oh, here only, right? And the client is on 8900. Okay. These are the four port numbers you should remember till the end of the class. Okay. And now you see, we have done with the manual registration of your admin guys. Okay. Just guys, you should remember these things guys. Okay. No need to remember, but at least you should remember roughly. Okay. Admin.client.url likewise. Okay. That's it. Okay. Right. Okay.
I have one question,
Please
Sunil.
ask.
So currently we are following through manual registration, right? If you are following automatic registration, so that case we no need to declare these related URLs, right? Like these
3, 4, 5.
injections
Wait.
are
3,
no need.
4, 5. You can remove. Okay. 3, 4, 5. Okay.
Okay.
But admin
Okay.
client, admin you can't have a manual registration. Okay. Admin you should register.
Mhm.
Admin you don't have an automatic registration. Okay. Right.
Okay. Only we have Eureka related stuff, so
Yes.
automatically
Automatic
restart.
registration. Correct. Yes.
Okay, understood. Thank you.
Let's see the admin dashboard now. It's something. Yeah. Okay. See here. Hello. Payment service. Okay. Right. See.
Yeah.
Where is that? You can see guys, health related things here, metadata. Okay. Everything. Okay. Let us hit again now. One endpoint. Should show something. 1 minute. All up. Okay. But it has to show, guys. Okay, the URL mappings and everything is supposed to show. But 1 minute. See, it should give some panel of things here actually. When last time I opened this, it is supposed to give the panel of things, URL mappings, log boundaries and everything. But is it hidden somewhere? Yeah. See guys here. You can see first registered status change registration update. See, it is tracking guys for every hit we are doing now, for every change, every control as we are doing now, it is updating the status guys, see, with the date and time and all. Okay, right? See, yeah, come to journal. Okay, you can see here. Okay, you can see the registration status guys, health URL. See here, and management health URLs likewise. Okay, let us open this health URL. Anything can or not. Okay, see, status is up. By using this, you can see, right? Status is up. Okay, right. Likewise, it will provide some URLs, guys. Okay. go to applications now. Open. It should come, guys, actually. But okay. Okay, guys, any doubts so far with respect to this admin registration, Eureka registration, and Jipkin registration of the client? Any doubts, guys? These three, guys. These three. Any doubts so far?
Can we do this one with AWS Cloud also, sir?
For what, like,
Eureka server kind of
monitoring,
stuff, anything in AWS?
Yes, for the monitoring, if in AWS you have alarms, AWS alarms, right? There is a concept of monitoring. Yeah, you can do. Yes, definitely there are multiple services on that cloud. Yeah, definitely there are, guys. Okay, you can check through them. Okay. Okay. See, basically, last time when I was teaching the Spring Boot batch, there I taught three things actually. Okay, one is the registration with Eureka. Sorry, registration. Sorry, EC2 deployment, and then S3 bucket I told, and then RDS database. These three things I told them. Okay, but there are n number of things where how you can integrate with Spring Boot with AWS. Okay, right. But in my classes, I used to teach these three things: deployment of EC2, the S3 bucket, and IAM also I used to teach. Yeah. Right. Guys, so far any doubts, guys, in this client application? We have done with the client application 1.
I think yes.
Clear, right? Oh, just only three things, guys, I want to tell here. Okay. Just if you want to do manual registration, no. Remember, okay, Eureka client register Eureka equal to true, Eureka client fetch registry equal to true, and Eureka client service URL default zone. Also, it is mandatory. These three are mandatory, guys. For admin to do the manual registration, spring.boot.admin.client.url. Okay. And for Jipkin, nothing is required. Just dependency is enough. Okay, right? So let us copy all these things to the notes.
Yeah, I
Yes.
have one doubt. Sunil. So we have admin UI, right? So in real time, we have multiple APIs are present. So that
Correct.
time, any complex scenario we need to face because we need to check individual API health checkup, right? So like,
Correct.
yeah.
Your doubt is what, like? Yes. See, basically the Jipkin server.
Yeah.
See, 1 minute. Jipkin server used to track the time. Okay, request time. Okay, average request time, request time, like
Yeah.
this. And admin server used to the health checks only, right? Admin server.
Yes.
Because as we use the
Oh,
actuator dependency, because of that actuator dependency, the health checks are populated in the admin server. Okay, clear?
okay. Yeah, understood. So in admin UI, API health will be reload, and so respective URLs we can manually check what is the status of it is like
Correct.
at up or down like that we can check, right? Okay.
Correct.
Yeah. Okay. Thanks.
Let me copy everything, guys.
In real time, they are using, sir, this one Jipkin and admin server.
It depends on the company, guys. Okay, I am working for an automotive client. We are using Dynatrace and Splunk. Okay, it depends on the company. In my
So
previous for a company called Optum. Okay, Optum I worked for 2 years. There we are using. Okay, yeah. It depends on company to company.
Dynatrace also equal to admin server, right?
Correct. And we have a advanced features of Dynatrace, but it's a premium version only. Okay.
Okay.
The premium, there you can see the graphs. Okay, request time, up and down, and for a particular period, for which to very flexible. Okay, very flexible. Okay.
Oh.
And what is left, guys? Payment control not required. Yes, just go for Pomlet XML. Guys, we need to speed up, guys, because we need to develop one more client, and we need to do the Fin client, and we need to do the load balancing also. Okay. Yeah, come on. Why it's not coming down? Okay. See, guys, the parent version we are using the Spring client is 4.x. Okay. And then Java version 17, admin version 4.0, cloud version 2025. Guys, if the people are using what kind of cloud version means, should tell 2025, 2026, 2024 like that only. Don't say 4.3 like that. Okay. Then they can understand. Okay, you are not really working on microservices. Okay, right? and you should tell admin is not part of what? Cloud. Okay. Guys, you can convince the interviewer, guys. Okay, in my company, suppose if you are not at all really working on microservices, right, in your company, tell them in my company we are using Jipkin and we are using admin for the tracking and monitoring. Okay, right? Guys, are you clear here? And tell me, guys, this admin is coming from which company, guys? Admin came from which company? Anyone?
Code centric.
Code centric. Very good, guys. Okay, code centric. Okay. You see here, we have a actuator dependency, okay, WebMVC dependency, Jipkin dependency, and admin starter client. Okay. So for Jipkin means, see some tracing things also came. Okay, tracing. Okay, this in Eureka client very common. Okay, right. Okay. Just copy these dependencies. We'll copy these dependencies. Okay. Okay, right, guys. The thing is, when it's come to workshop, right? Previous week we have done Spring Security. Okay, 2 classes I took for 4 hours. Okay, I completed all the 6 approaches and all. Okay, 2 classes. And this week it is microservices, 2 classes. Okay, and previous week, okay, we have taken problem solving. Okay, 2 classes and problem solving. Okay, so I request, so anyone trying for switching the company, right? So if you complete these 6, 6 recordings, right? Definitely you can have some advantage, guys. Okay, trust me, you can have some advantage. Okay, just ping me. I will share the security and problem solving recordings also. Okay, which I have taken. Okay, this is last week, and before week I have taken problem solving, guys. Okay, right. And hopefully next week we'll take on Kafka and Docker. I'll speak with the management, but let us see. Okay, right. Okay, guys. Yeah. So where are we? So we have developed with the client, guys. Okay, let us go for the second client. Okay, what was that? Come on, guys. What was our second client name? Guys, come on, guys. What is our second client name?
Orders.
Order. Okay. Can we do automatic registration Eureka server or AWS? Okay. Yeah, I have answered, right? Yeah. Order service. Okay. Let us open order service. Okay. Guys, come on. 6 dependencies. Discovery client. Okay. Spring Boot DevTools. Code centric. Client only, right? Admin client. Then Jipkin, actuator, and Spring Web. 6 done, right? Now the new one is, come on. Guys, for Fiend client, what kind of dependency I should add, guys? Anyone can tell me? For the Fiend client, to establish a communication, inter-service channel between these 2 services, what kind of dependency I should search for? Can you guys tell me? Hello. Guys, anyone can tell me what
Exactly. Exactly, not sure, but
Open Fiend, okay? Remember. Open Fiend, okay? That's it. Okay, guys, any doubts here? Guys, it is a declarative REST client, guys. Okay, open field means what? It is a declarative REST client. Okay. Oh. Is it created? No, right? I clicked on escape and everything went. Okay. Let us get back.
On which project we need to create, sir, this week, Fiend client?
The one which we are trying to create a channel, right? Suppose from the order service, I want to create a channel to payment service. Okay. I want to do the inter service channel. Okay. From order to payment service. Okay. In that order service, you should add open fin. Okay.
Yeah, got it.
Right? Inter-service communication. Okay. Yeah. Quickly, guys. Eureka Discovery Client, Spring Boot Dev Tools, Admin Client, okay, Jipkin, okay, Actuator, Web, OpenFin, okay. Guys, now I want to give a small context with the difference between REST template and Fin client. Can you guys tell me any idea the difference between REST template and Fin client? Anyone?
So, Fin client is a communication of internal service to service, and REST template we can communicate third-party API.
No.
And web client also
REST
we can
template.
use.
Wait. Fin client and REST template will do the same thing only, guys. Okay. Fin client and REST template will do. Guys, please go on. Guys, please go.
Fin client provide load balancer.
Yes. Let me tell you, guys. Remember, Fin client and REST template will do the same thing only. But here the challenge is with the. Guys, please go on mute. Guys. Guys, please go on mute. You're speaking. Just for 2 minutes, I'll mute you all. Okay, guys. Remember, Fin client and REST template will do the same purpose only. But in Fin client, the advantage is suppose. Suppose this is order service. Okay, this is payment service. Okay. So today is what date? March 1st, 2026. The payment service is running on some 8086 port number 8086. There is no guarantee that next month it is running on the same port number. The port number might change. Am I correct? So at that time, if we use the REST template, the REST template will try to communicate with what, guys? The URL only. In the URL, we will hard code the port number and everything. Okay. Because of the port number differences, there is no loose coupling, guys. Okay. What I mean to say is, suppose today we have a port now. So today we have today we have a payment services running on port number. Let us assume 8066. Okay. And payment service is running on 8055. 8067. Okay. And one more payment service is running on 8068. Okay. So 3 instances, my payment service is making a run, guys. Okay. Now, suppose see here, what I mean to say is, suppose at this point of time, happily by using a order service, I am trying to communicate with the payment service using 3 port numbers. Okay. What is that? 8066. Okay. 8066 and 8067 and 8068. Okay. But at some point of time, next month, my port number is changed from 8067 to 8069. At that time, I need to change here also. Then there is no loose coupling in REST template, guys. Okay, using REST template, there is no loose coupling. But in Fin client, there is no, there is no chance of, come on. There is no need to have a loose tight coupling here. Okay, in Fin client, automatically, whatever the port number, it is independent of the port number, guys. Okay, my Fin client is using declarative approach. What is that? My Fin client will use declarative approach, but REST client is not the same. And in the Fin client, you have a ribbon. Automatic load balancer is called ribbon. Okay, there will be an automatic load balancer will be there. That is nothing but ribbon. Okay. Okay. Guys, now you can speak. Any doubts you have? Hello. Between REST template and Fin client? Right here, guys. Fin client is a declarative approach. Okay. And REST template, if you use REST template, there is no chance of loose coupling. There won't be any loose coupling. Any loose coupling. Okay. Right. Guys, are you clear here? Guys, can you please speak up and tell me? Are you clear here? sign. Navneet sign. I'll check Navneet. Okay. I'm not sure, but in my batch I will teach. In SBMS batch I will teach everything. Yeah, it doesn't pattern also. Okay, guys, are you clear? Can you speak up and tell me, guys? I just want your voice now. Come on. Are you clear with Fiend client and REST template? Once you are clear with the concept, then we'll go for the code of Fiend client. Hello. Clear, right? Dinesh, are you there? Can you please not able to unmute? Can you speak now, guys?
Yes, no.
Yeah, sir. Now it's fine. Yeah.
Clear, right? Okay,
Yeah.
Fiend
Yes,
client
sir.
and the REST templates. Guys, in interview, it is
So
very important, guys. Okay, they will ask why we'll go for a Fiend client. Why can't we go for REST template? Okay, then you should tell, sir, load balancing is the internal thing for the Fiend client, and the Fiend client is a declarative approach. In the future, the port number might get changed. At the time also, we can avoid we can have a loose coupling. Okay, but in REST template, we need to change both in order and payment service. But in the Fiend client, if the payment service, the port number is getting changed automatically, it will be mapped, guys. Okay, no need to bother with the order service. Okay, right?
sir, in between, can you please clarity on sync and
Yeah, please.
asynchronous communication as well?
Yeah, this is what communication, guys. This is synchronous, guys. This communication is synchronous. Okay. But if you go for asynchronous, you should go for Kafka. Okay. If you want asynchronous, you should go for Kafka. Okay. Kafka or PubSub or RabbitMQ. Okay, Kafka, PubSub or RabbitMQ. Guys, are you clear?
Yes, sir. Means this if we are using web client to communicate third-party API, so that the case we can consider as asynchronous communication, correct?
Correct. Web client is used mainly for to call the external APIs. Okay. Web client mainly will use for external APIs. Okay. Remember that also.
Okay.
Okay. Web client, external API means suppose I am working for a client. Okay. So my client, we used to do the external communication. External means what? There is some third party API is there. Okay. There is some third party API is there. Okay. Some third party API. Okay. Where we need to communicate. Okay. While we need to communicate them. No need to see the third party API is already developed by some team. Okay, some other company. We should consume them. Okay, we should consume the third party API. Then we'll go for web client, guys. Okay, that is the difference. Okay, see, REST template and Fiend client is for if we want to do inter-service channel between our two services. Okay, which we developed. But if you want to do the communication between external client, external service, okay, external API, then we'll go for web client. Okay, so that's the difference of. Thanks for asking, guys. Okay, Fiend. Okay, REST template and web client. Okay, these are the three modes of inter-service communication, guys. Okay, in microservices. Okay, let us go for the code, guys. Now, okay.
Okay. As per my understanding, so if you are using Fiend client and REST template, we can consider as synchronous communication. So asynchronous communication, whenever Kafka is involved in our project, then only we can
Correct.
consider
Correct.
asynchronous. Yeah.
Yes, correct.
Thanks for clarity.
Yeah. Kafka is all a different story, guys. Okay, right. Okay, let's go for the code. Where is that? What is the order?
Sir, web client and REST template both are same, right?
No, I mean to say web client you use it to communicate for the external APIs. Okay.
REST
You know
template,
external API.
REST template also same, right, sir?
Yeah, it depends. But see, it is not, there is no fixed rule. But in the project level, people mainly use web client to communicate for external APIs. Okay. You got the point.
Okay. Like HDFC, ICICI Bank, like that?
Yes, correct. Okay. Okay. Now we'll develop controller. Okay, guys, from order service, okay, we use Fiend, okay, and we'll try to establish communication to the payment service, guys. Okay, let us see how we'll do that. Okay, guys, let me charge my laptop. Just give me a minute. Okay. Come on, guys. Order controller. This is the REST controller. Guys, can you tell me what was the annotation if you want to communicate with the fin client? Can you tell me, guys? Anyone? Tell me, guys. Anyone? What was the annotation if you want to go for a fin client? Create an interface, guys, for the fin client. Okay, interface. Okay, fin interface. Okay. Now see here. Simple. What is that? At the rate fin client. Anyone sent?
At the rate enable fan client, right?
At the rate, yes, enable fin client. So not enable fin client. That's it. Okay. Use name equal to. Guys, can you tell me what kind of name I can give here? From the fin interface, this is the bridge between. Come on, this is the bridge between order to payment service. Now, can you tell me what kind of name I can give here? Which name I can give here? Come on, can you tell me?
Order payment like
Payment
Microservices
Don't write
payment
the name.
server.
Go to application or properties of the payment service. Just copy the name. Okay, microservices payment service. Okay, just copy here and go
okay.
here. That's it. Okay, this is the one. See, if we go for a REST template now, we need to give the hard code URL on which your payment is running. But that is not at all a good practice, because that's what I'm telling. In some point of time, your port number might change, or else some point of time it might down. There are a lot of issues. Okay, if you go for a URL, the hard code URL. If you go for a fin client, it is completely declarative approach. Okay, right? Now you see here, just go to, again, guys, I am trying to explain how to communicate between two services. Okay, just try to understand, guys. Okay, right? Yeah, go for the payment controller. Just copy these two lines, guys. Okay, what is that? Copy these two lines and go to this field interface. That's it. I am done. You got it. From the payment, from the order controller, we will call this method. Automatically, this will be diverted to the payment service pay method. Okay, guys, are you clear here? From the order controller, I will call that method. Come on, guys. If I want to call that method, the method which is there in the field interface, can you tell me how to call that method? Anyone? Any Spring Boot developers? Come on, guys. Yes, at the rate auto while. Very good. Yeah, come on, guys. Why are you hesitating to speak? At the rate auto while. Okay, just copy this name, field interf. F5. Okay.
Can we inject also at the rate inject?
Injector. Yeah, that you can do, but it's better to go for this auto wiring. Okay.
Okay.
No, because we can't inject. Can you tell me why? We can't inject. Sorry, we can't inject. Can you tell me why? Because this field is not a service, not a REST controller, not a repository. No. How come? See, the injection will happen only for the ones which is beans will be automatically created. The beans will be automatically created for the whom, guys? Service annotation class, repository annotation class, and controller annotation class, but not this class. Okay. Then how come we can inject? Okay.
Okay.
Now see here. F5 dot. Yes, that's it, guys. This is the way you can establish the communication. Suppose if I get API order, okay, this will call the do payment method, and that will call this do payment method where in the payment controller class. Okay, then this is the output, guys. Okay, this is the output. Okay, right?
So if we, sorry, I have one doubt. So if we, if one service, we have multiple APIs. So all the APIs, I need only two APIs need to communicate other service. So that time we need to inject, like we need to declare those related APIs in this client interface, right?
Yes, clear interface. Correct.
No
Correct.
need of
Very good.
no
Yes,
need of
that's it.
all injecting.
No, whatever the methods you want to establish, no.
Required. Okay, those only we need to declare.
Service established.
Yeah, thank you.
Channel required. Then those methods it's better to place here. Okay, just you should give a microservice payments. Just the name of the service. Okay, that's it. Nothing enough. Nothing required. Guys. Okay, just name of the service. Okay.
Base package.
Thank you. Thank you.
Okay, that's it, guys. Okay. Now let us start this payment service. See, now my target is what, guys? Now
You have not saved. Yeah, save this one. Yeah, it will. Okay.
Yeah, done. Yeah. See, guys, now the target is what? I will call API order method. My expected output is what? Come on. My expected output should be payment has been processed. That means what? I will call API/order. It should internally call payment service. Okay, I will call API order. It is supposed to call payment service. Okay, that was my target. Okay, now, okay, let us see. Are we able to achieve that or not? Okay. Okay. Once we're done with this, then we'll go for load balancing, guys. Okay. See here, payment service is up, Eureka up, admin is up. Okay. Now go to this resources and copy, guys, the things whichever. Don't write. Copy from the payment service. Okay. Right. Eureka client, register with Eureka true, fetch registry 2, default zone true. That's it, guys. Okay. Right. Okay. Okay.
Save order control. Save order control.
Save. Sorry. What?
Order controller.
Yeah.
It is not saved.
Yeah. If you restart your application, it will automatically save, right?
Okay.
Okay. Thank you for remembering. Okay. Right. Let us start this one. Oh, I think we should change the port number, right? Is it so?
Server.port.
What is considering it, defining a bean of type? Bean, why? There's some issues coming with the theme. 1 minute, 1 minute. What is that?
F1 in controller.
1 minute, 1 minute, 1 minute. One minute to copy and see, okay? What is this exception message? What is trying to tell? Okay, bean is not able to find. Okay. Okay. Shall we place any component annotation? Let's try with the component. Sorry, it should be having some. See, because for this, the bean is not creating, right? Just place one component annotation, guys. Okay. Automatically, the bean will be created. Spelling wrong.
I think we need to write at the rate of enable fin client. At the rate of enable fin client.
No. See, here the problem is injection failing. Injection failing means what? Somewhere you are missing the bean, right? Am I correct? Somewhere you are missing the bean.
Yes, bean is not able to allocate here.
Not available. Yeah, that's what. That is the thing you should think of. Okay. Let us see. Is it okay now? Or else the same thing. Stop. Let's start again. Yep. Let us ask GPT. 1 minute, guys. Okay, let us fix this issue on the live only. Yeah, somewhere. Oh, enable theme clients. This one we have done. Okay, enable theme clients. Okay, try to use this
On
one.
the base price.
Component annotation not required. Okay, guys. See, as I tell, right, there are some slight changes, guys. Okay, from we are using 4.x now. There are some slight changes here. Okay, just basically in earlier classes I haven't used this annotation. Okay, use this enable theme client annotation. Okay, right, theme clients, enable theme clients annotation, guys. Okay.
Change in founded XML. Founded XML version.
Yeah, founded XML we already added, guys. Open theme we already added, right?
Change version.
1 minute, 1 minute. So guys, OpenFin should be there. 1 minute. See, OpenFin is already there. Okay. While developing one, we added this. Guys, without this OpenFin, how can we import, guys? Even we can't import, right? Okay. See guys, now the order service is up and running. Okay, right. Okay. Okay. Now the target is we'll hit. Come on, guys. Localhost 80. The port number is what? Localhost 8977. Okay. 8977 API/order. Okay. Let's write the URL. Localhost. Colon. What is the port number, guys? Come on. 8977 API/order. Okay. Is that okay, guys? Okay. See guys how beauty it is. Come on. If you hit API order, payment it is interacting with what, guys? Payment service. Guys, are you clear now? Hello, everyone. Guys, are you clear?
Yes,
How the inter-service
good.
channel has happened. Okay, right? We hit. See, again, I'm telling guys, we have hit what? Come on. We hit this API. Okay, it is internally calling what? It is internally calling do payment method, and this payment method is there in payment service. That's it. So this is the inter-service communication, guys. Okay, this is nothing but inter-service communication. Okay. Okay.
One question, Sunil.
Please.
Through Fin client only we have to interact with other services, or we have any other mechanism or any other way?
That's what I told. No, REST template we can do. You can go for web client. You can go likewise.
Okay,
But my preferred approach is Fin client. Always Fin client. Okay. See here. You can
so
see
generally
the logs.
generally in industry we go with Fin client, right?
Yes. For inter-service communication. Okay. For external API, we'll go for web client. Okay. Web client.
Okay.
See guys here. This you can see the log also. This is wait. Order service. Okay, right. Clear? You can see the log also. Okay, right, guys. Okay, now let us go for load balancing, guys. Okay, load balancing. Now, for the load balancing purpose, till now, my payment has been running on port number. Which port number, guys? 8900. Okay, now I will run my payment on 8900, 8901, 8902, 8903. Okay. To see the load balancing, guys. What is that? To see the load balancing. Okay.
Without the service discovery, we can't choose this one. No? Like load balance.
Without service discovery? Yes.
Without service
discovery. No. It is not like that. Without service discovery, you can achieve inter-service case, inter-service channel. Okay. Yes. Without that also you can do that. Okay. Yes. Yes. Any more doubts?
Then how it will be find within a service name, the PN client? Through the service
we are
name, how it
giving,
will
See, we are giving right here. We're giving the name, and it is up and running. Yeah, it is up and running.
And how it is finding that microservice only? CT.
See, basically, earlier in my project also we can do the inter-service channel. Okay, between two services. There is no Eureka, right? Because see, it is running on the port, right? So definitely they are running on the local ports. So because of that reason, it was able to find. Okay. But there is no rule that we need Eureka server to do the inter-service channel. Okay, that's for sure.
So I have one doubt. If feed client is running on different machine, then how will you give that?
Sorry, please come again.
if fin client is running on different VM or different IP.
I can't hear. You can please type in the chat box.
In that, if fin client is running on different IP, then how we can give the IP?
Fin client is running on different IP. Okay. Yeah. Okay, you mean to say it's on running on some other? Yeah, then it will be an external client, no? That is an external
Yeah,
service.
that will be, yeah, we can consider that is web client.
Web client, yes, correct. Web client. Okay.
Client is external, internal client.
Okay, where are we, guys? Yeah, let us go for the load balancing. Okay, load balancing. Okay, guys. Now I want my payment service to be run on 3 different ports, guys. What are they? Payment service till now it is running on 8900 only. Now I want my payment service to run on 3 different ports. What is that? 8900 is already running. 8901, 8902, and 8903. Okay. Guys, any idea how can I make this configuration to run my payment service on 4 different port numbers? Anyone? Hello.
No, sir. Actually, we know only one port at one service.
Yeah, see, run configuration here. Okay. Go for arguments.
VM argument.
Yeah. Not VM, program arguments only. D server dot port. Okay. 8901. Apply and run.
So if we are declaring that many ports in one application, so if which one will take a priority? So usually default server port code is 8080 na. So same like if we here we are declaring 3 port codes. So which one is taking priority? How we know which port is running?
I'll come back. I'll come back.
Okay.
I'll come back. There is the algorithm called round robin algorithm. Okay. Internally, fin client will use round robin algorithm. Okay.
Okay.
I will show you. Don't worry. I will show you that. Okay. Okay. I will show you. See, order service. Okay. One port. See, order service is running on 2 ports, guys. Now. Okay. Right.
Sunil, can you show again where we have to configure that? Multiple
Yeah. I'll show you.
ports?
I'll show you. Here. Run configuration. Okay. And go to VM arguments. Here you see 8901, 8902. Apply and run. Yeah. See, now order is running on 3 ports. It's supposed to run 3 ports, guys. Okay. Guys, it is terminated. 1 minute. I think it should be server.port. 1 minute. Let us try. Let's just be patient. Some mistakes will come. Okay. Yeah. 1 minute. We'll ask GPD. I forgot, guys. There is some command. Okay. In VM documents. Guys, see, guys, this is the one. Okay, hyphen server.port. Okay, hyphen server.port. You just make a note of it. Okay, yeah. Guys, in VM, if you want to run on VM arguments, okay, then go for my -d. Okay, Yeah, in my company we used to run using VM arguments, but here this is enough, guys. --, server.port. Okay, just you will use this. Okay, apply and run. Guys, so far any doubts, guys? Are you able to follow so far, everyone?
Yes.
That's right. Okay. Is it is running at least now? Yes, guys. See, order is running on 2 ports. Okay, right? Let's run on some other port. Order or payment? Is it order or payment, guys? Oh, are we starting order? 2 port numbers. It's payment, right? Okay, right click, run as configuration. Hey, name. How come this name come here? It's payment, right? Okay, just leave this name, guys. Okay, we are running on payment service only. Okay, 8903. Now we'll run on 8903. Okay, it is giving some random name. Just leave it.
Actually, left side we selected that order service only.
Okay. From here, okay. It should be this one, right? Payment then. Payment service to payment service. Okay. Yeah. Apply. Okay. See, the payment service is started running, guys. Okay. We'll run on some more port numbers. Okay.
So if I want to run on multiple ports, no, apart from 8900, 8901, if I want to
Yes,
run
yes.
for 10, so how to configure those 10 in the same
Yeah,
arguments?
there is a property, guys. Okay, in hard code, you can give the hard code also here, but yeah, there is a property you can search for. Okay, you can give some hard code on the application of properties file, or else you can go for a configuration. Okay, that's better. Okay, everything hard code is not good, right? Yeah.
Yeah,
Okay.
but where we have to give that in the arguments we have to give multiple ports.
No, from an application of properties only you can give. Okay, directly here. Okay, because there is a property. Okay, if you want to hard code 10 port numbers, right? There is some property area you should give. Okay, actually you need to do some external configuration. Okay, yeah, you can search for that. Okay.
So, okay, currently you are running on only 2 different ports.
No, 3, yeah, 2 to 3 different port numbers. See, that's what I'm configuring, right? See here, my payment service. See, payment service and payment service. Okay, 2 port numbers
Only
I'm running.
two are running, right? Only 2
See,
are
one is
running.
8900. Yeah, one is 8900, and two more port numbers are two more port numbers are 8905 and 8906. Okay. Okay. Guys, I want to see the port number. Okay, I just want to show you something. Okay, just use this one. Okay, environment. Okay, if I want to display the port number, okay, on which it is running. Okay, just use this @ while. There is a method called get property method where you will get this one. Okay, That's it, guys. Now append this port number to here so that you can see. Okay, guys, are you clear? See, what I mean to say, my payment is running on 3 ports, right? Each time, whenever I hit order, right, that will invoke the payment. I want to know which port number I'm invoking. There are 3 instances running. I want to know which instance I'm trying to invoke, which instance I'm trying to interact, right? Okay. Let us hit now. See now 8906. See here, 8906. Okay. Now again hit 8906. 1 minute. Why it is not fetching, guys? It's supposed to change the port number also. Why always 8906? Let us run on some other port number. Okay. See, 8900 came now. Okay. 8905 came. Okay. 8906 came. Guys, are you clear here? Hello.
Yes, Sunil.
Guys. Okay. So you can see the port number. Okay. See, first time it is calling 8900. Second time it is calling 8905. Third time it is calling 8906. Like that. Okay. So can you tell me which algorithm my Fiend client is using internally? Come on.
Round robin.
Round robin. Which mechanism my Fiend client is using internally? Which mechanism? Ribbon. Okay, remember that. Okay. Fiend client is using, come on. Fiend client is using, come on, ribbon. Okay. Ribbon mechanism. And which algorithm it is using? Algorithm is round robin, guys. Remember, guys. Okay. Algorithm is round robin. Okay. If you
Sunil,
want
please
more
share
insights,
this information, Sunil.
yeah, I'll share. After this class, I will share. Okay. This notes and everything I'll share. Okay. Sure. Definitely I'll share. Because last week also I shared whoever pinged me. Okay. Right.
I pinged, but yesterday I pinged. You didn't send me anything.
Yeah. Today I will share. Today. Yes. Because yesterday I haven't shared. I know. Yeah. Today I will share. Okay. For sure I'll share. Right. Guys, any doubts, guys, about Fiend client, load balancing, ribbon, round robin? Any doubts? Client creation, guys. See here, we have done with Eureka server. Okay, Eureka server. Okay, done with admin, done with the Jipkin. Okay, done with the client registration with Eureka, Jipkin and admin, and enter service communication. Enter service communication. Okay, then what is that?
Load balancing.
Load balancing. Very good, guys. Load balancing. Okay. Now we are left with 2 things, guys. One is API gateway, and third one is config server. Okay. Config server. Okay. If you are done with these 2, we are done with total end-to-end microservice application, guys. Okay. I will try my best to complete these 2 in next half an hour. Okay. Guys, till now, do you have any doubts so far? Till here in these 5 topics, do you guys have any doubts?
Then Eureka client both are same, right?
Sorry.
Eureka server and Eureka client.
Both are same. How come same? No, Eureka client, we're trying to register with Eureka, no? Hello? Guys, who is this asking me this doubt?
Yes, I got it now. Yeah.
You got it right. How come both are same, man? Huh? Okay. Let us go for now.
In this, which one is Eureka client? In this, whatever you written, right?
Guys.
Sir, here, which one is Eureka client here?
Yeah, now. These 2 clients, no, we register, no, order and payment service. Hello? Hello, guys, am I audible?
Yes, yes, yes.
Order payment service, okay? Right.
Right.
Guys, let us go for API gateway, guys. Guys, any idea what is API gateway? What it will do? Anyone?
I think API gateway is a central point of every request.
Correct. See, I want all my requests to process via, come on, all my requests to process with what, guys? API gateway.
API
So
gateway.
because if we have a common endpoint, let's see, API gateway is something like a watchman, guys. Okay, for a apartment there will be some watchman entry point, right? It is something API gateway is monitoring like that. Okay, so it will cut the unwanted request. Okay, and it will secure, guys. It will secure your APIs. Okay, then if possible, I will tell you security also. API, how to implement security with API gateway. I'll try to give some security also. Okay, but time is very restricted, guys. Constrained. Okay, right? Yeah. Let me try my level best next half an hour. Okay. Now let us. There are steps to develop API gateway, guys. Okay, tell me. There are some steps to develop API gateway. Guys, let me write quickly. Eureka client. I want my API gateway to be registered with Eureka. Okay. See, guys, now if you see the Eureka server right now, you can see all the port numbers on which your Eureka is running. Okay, where is that? See, guys, payment service is running on how many port numbers? You can see payment service 8906, 8905, 8900, 8907. You can see all the port numbers of which your payment service, not only single port number. You can see that's the advantage. Guys, are you clear here? Order service is running on 2 port numbers. See, unfortunately, we're running on, but not required, guys. Okay, my naming convention gone wrong, and it is running on the second port number also. Okay, right? 8902. Okay, guys, you can see, right? This service is running on 2 port numbers. This service is running on 5 ports. Okay. Let's go for that API gateway.
Sir, this dashboard is calling your Eureka server dashboard, right?
Yes, Eureka server dashboard. Very good. Yes, Eureka server dashboard. Okay. Guys, this code also I will share, guys. I will upload to my GitHub, and I will share this code. 4 applications also I will share, guys. Okay. Guys, try to spare extra time, guys, today. Let's try for next half an hour. I'll try to wrap up the course. Okay. Right.
Yes, sir.
I will try my best. Okay. Next one. Next dependency, cloud gateway. Cloud reactive gateway. Next one, dev tools. That's it. And configure, come on. Configure @enable discovery client. Annotation at the start class. This is important, guys. Okay, configure API routings. Very, very important. Okay, you know, this will take some time now. Configure API routings. Okay. Create a security filter. This is the one. Create a security filter. Okay. Guys, any doubts in the steps, guys? Guys, we'll give a small break for 3 to 4 minutes. I'll have some water. In the meanwhile, you guys also have some water and get back after 3 to 4 minutes, guys. Okay. I'm very thirsty. Okay. We'll give a small break.
Can you scroll a little bit up, sir? Can
Take time, 5 minutes, Sunil.
Yeah.
That's
Guys,
fine.
just take for 3 to
Yeah.
5 minutes of break. I'm in PG now. Okay, I don't have water here. Okay, okay, just I'll get me water and water bottle and guys, just for 4 to 5 minutes, just wait. Okay, I'll get back. Okay, right. We'll continue till 1 o'clock. Okay, right.
Okay.
1.
Yeah.
So that we can wrap up the things. Okay, right. Just half an hour required. Just API gateway and config, guys. 2 are the pending things. Okay, right. Okay.
Hi guys. Just to make clear, can anybody explain about like what is the role of Eureka client and Eureka server? Anyone? Am I audible?
Yeah. Eureka server I have using for the Eureka client is using for the in client side server I have using deploying the application in another requesting.
Okay, so here we have a two services like payment services and order services. So that services need to behave as a client. So we registered as a client, and that registered at Eureka server, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, sir. So small doubt how to the load balancer how to any explain for you.
Okay. I just want to clear so that it's my clear.
Okay. You want to explain anyone how to load balancing? Small man.
So
Right, guys, I'm back. Just take 2 more minutes. We'll restart. Okay. Guys, any doubts, guys, here? Anyone, you can please feel free to ask. Okay. We have done with Eureka server, admin server, Chipkin server. Okay. We have created 2 clients. We established enter service channel, and we have established a load balancing. Any doubts so far, guys, in these 5 aspects? And yesterday we have discussed microservices, advantages and challenges also. And challenges also, right? Okay. Guys, if you have any doubts in these aspects, please feel free to ask now. Anyone? No, feed interface done, right, Prakash? Enter service communication means what? Feed interface one, you know? Okay. Guys, we'll start at 12:25, guys, again, okay? 12:25. Guys, let us start. Hello, people. Shall we start, guys?
Yes, Sunil.
Yeah, thank you. Let us start, guys. See, now let us create API gateway, guys. Okay, right, guys. I hope these 4 applications are clear to you. Okay, I believe. Okay, and I will share the code in my GitHub, and you can find it, guys. Okay, right? You can search by name. Okay, type Sunil Kiran. Okay, GitHub. Okay. No. After this class, see, this is my first link only. It will come. Okay. So this is my GitHub repo. You can find all these coding things after the class, guys. Okay. Right. Yep. Let's get back. See, we have this is the 5th application, guys. Come on. New Spring Starter project. Okay. Microservices, API gateway. Okay. Next. Come on. Eureka client is required. Eureka client is required. We have done Eureka discovery client. Then right gateway, guys. There is a gateway dependency. What is that? Gateway dependency. See, reactive gateway you can have. Okay, reactive gateway. We have this reactive gateway. And dev tools. Okay. That's it, guys. Okay. Next, finish. Okay. Yeah, API gateway is developer, guys. Okay. Guys, once we establish API gateway properly, then we'll go for a security filter. Okay. Then we'll try to see security. Small security filter will add, guys. Okay, in the API gateway. Okay. 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 Mainly here there is some configuration we should add, guys. Okay. In the properties, that is, let us walk through the POM file, guys. First, okay. POM file. What is the POM file? See here. See, starter gateway server webflux. Okay. Then cloud starter Netflix Eureka client. Then dev tools. Okay. Likewise, guys. Okay. Right. See, the cloud version is 2025. Okay. Right. Let us go for SRC main resource. Okay. Hey, guys, don't write anything, man. Why are you writing here? Anyone trying to write? Don't do that, please. It will disturb the class. Okay. Right. See here, cloud. We need one thing, guys. Okay. Guys, forget how to change this YAML file to properties file to a YAML file. Convert, right? There is something, 1 minute, I forgot.
Configure convert is there, right? Somewhere.
Yeah, that's where I forgot 1 minute. Where is that?
A little bit scroll down.
Yeah.
It's nothing. In Eclipse will be there, configure, convert.
Yeah, that's what I used to see that, but now.
Change to navigator instead of project explorer.
Refactor, otherwise refactor.
Rename is.
Yeah, rename. Click on rename.
Wait. Let us ask GPT, okay? Because it will disturb, remaining things 1 minute.
No, open navigator. This one.
Yeah, 1 minute. Disturb. New file, name it. Oh, that's it. Okay, but there is some conflict. Okay, leave it. here see guys, cloud dot gateway okay, cloud dot gateway dot webflux dot routes. Okay, you should give ID. Okay, ID with API. This is some ID, guys. Okay, then URI. LB stands for load balancer. Okay, slash. Okay, now we'll write two things, guys. Okay, one is we have what we have payment service. Okay, what is the name of the payment service, guys? Come on, copy that name. Predicates. See, here we'll give path. Okay, path. Okay, so whichever the request coming with what order. Okay, whichever the request coming with order, divert to payments. 1 minute, 1 minute. Whichever the let us copy this. Let us go to controller layer. How we configure? See here. Whichever the request coming with the pay. Okay, whichever the request coming with pay, divert to payment service. Okay, that's the meaning, guys. Here. Okay. Let us done. Guys, just a formatting issues. Just a minute. Guys, we'll test this API, guys, first. Okay, first we'll invoke localhost this server.port, right? So we'll give server.port. Right. Guys, now our target is if we hit localhost 8999, okay? Localhost 8999, it should invoke localhost 8999/pay, it should invoke microservice payment service. Guys, are you clear here? Hello. Guys, are you clear with this configuration? Everyone?
Yes, Sunil.
Okay, LB stands for load balancing. Okay, load balancing payment. See, whatever suppose if my payment service is running on 3 ports, as per the load balancing concept, give me the fetch the port number. Okay, that's what the meaning is. Okay, right. Okay, so indirectly we're telling if request coming with pay, divert to payment service. Payment service pay method. Okay, payment service pay. Okay, payment service pay this way. Okay, that's it, guys. Okay, that is about API gateway. Okay, I will share this. Okay, don't worry, just execute this. We'll execute this. If it's working, fine. Okay,
One question, Sunil.
please.
Yeah, like we have only one method, one API, right? /pay. Okay.
Correct.
If you have 2 more,
Copy this. Copy this.
same copy, yeah, and we have to
Yeah,
make.
yeah.
Okay, fine.
No, the problem is I'm getting formatting issues. That's why I'm doing this. See, if I paste, it's going that way.
Can we do in this properties file itself?
Yes, we can do, but it won't be more feasible. Okay, better it's go for YAML file only. Okay, YAML.properties. Okay. We'll try this. Okay. Yeah. Now see here, order. Okay. What is the order name, guys? Come on. Just to copy this one, API/order. If you're coming with order, okay, request is coming with order, divert to this service, okay. Okay. Yeah. Done. Okay, clear, guys. See, the meaning is what? If the request coming with order 89999/order, it will come to Microsoft order service. If request is coming to pay, it will go to pay service. Guys, are you clear? People, are you clear, guys? Hello.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Let us start this. Okay, let us start this. Guys, now we'll try to hit the APIs through gateway. Earlier, we have hit the clients with direct writer. Now we'll hit the clients with the gateway. Through gateway, we'll try to hit. Okay, if you are able to invoke, we are done. Okay, we're done with the gateway. Okay, what happened? We're running. Yes, API gateway is running, guys. Okay. Started on 8999. Okay, let us hit that. First, we'll test the payment, guys. Okay. Okay. Five note 3. Unable to find the order. One minute, guys. 1 minute. Something is gone wrong. 503 means because we haven't added any security also, then it is supposed to invoke, right? 1 minute, 1 minute. Okay. Just ask GBD, guys. Something, some configuration he should add. 1 minute. Not correct. That's why. We'll see something is gone wrong with getting it. This means cloud gateway is trying to load. You can load and look at the service. See, everything is running, right? Yes, means localhost 8716. So call the service. Yeah, we are running given better recommended style. Okay. Clean and correct way. Okay. Guys, we'll give the stars, guys. Okay, we'll give the stars. Sometimes it won't invoke. Okay. Let us try this. Again, start, guys. Okay. Let us try now. The error we're getting. Cannot request any unknown server. 1 minute, guys. We're facing some error. We'll try to see this. What is this error? Guys, we'll try to debug this error, guys. So 1 minute. What is this? Cannot execute requests on any noun server. Okay. What does that mean? Okay. Guys. What is the Eureka port number is different now. We have just copied and we left here. Okay, 1 minute. The port number is what? Is Eureka 8765? Caps lock is in LB. No, don't think so. Just 1 minute. What is the port number of Eureka, guys? 8765.
8765.
Right? Yeah. Let us try that. 8765. 8765. Yeah, now it is getting registered. Okay. 1 minute. 1 minute. It's typical only 1 minute. Basically, with some dependencies, some annotations, we should add something like that. 1 minute, or else we should add. Did we miss this on @enable discovery client? Is it like that? Yes, this is also miss. Guys, it is telling 4.x, okay, cannot communicate with, so we should downgrade the version, guys, okay? It is telling like 3.2.5 and the cloud version is 2023.03, okay? And after changing that tender will do. Can you give me the updated form file now? See, guys, this is the issues, guys, actually, while developing with the gateway, you should see the versions also. Can you give me the gateway? Sorry, updated gateway. No, updated pump file. Yeah. One minute, guys. Total pump file. Okay, let us use this. Okay. See here, we have used Cloud Gateway, the same thing, Eureka Client, Actuator, DevTools, testing, and cloud version we are using is 2023, okay? And parent version is 3.2.5, okay? Right. Let us see now. It will build the dependencies because we have changed the dependencies and everything now. The versions and everything, right? It will try to build, guys, okay? Right. Let us see now, okay? Yes, it will take some time to download the dependencies now. Eight zero now. Why, man? 800. Okay. No, we are giving server port now here. Which is the port number? 8999, no? Mention here also. Okay. Started it. Okay. Right. Let us hit now, guys. Let us hit now. Gone wrong, guys. Guys, actually, in one of my last class, I have developed. Okay, let me open that. Okay, switch to workspace. Documents. Guys, we'll try for 10 more minutes. Just wait. Okay, if it is done, we are done. Or else we will see in the next workshop possibly. Okay. Something version issues are coming, guys. That's the problem. Okay. Guys, any doubts so far apart from API gateway? Any doubts, guys? Anyone want to ask something as we are moving to end? Yes. This is not opening Eclipse. Okay. This one will impact. Huh? Okay, let us see, guys. The one which I already developed. Okay. Guys, as we are moving to end, I just want to know how you are feeling about my teaching. Okay. So just give some feedback kind of thing. If it is good. Or if it is, I need to do some improvement, please feel free to ping. I will take in a positive way. Okay. Right. Yeah. Please give some feedback, guys. Okay. That will be a boost. Okay. Right. Yeah. To me. 1 minute. You guys will see here. 1 minute. The API gateway. This is YML. Okay. Cloud gateway LB. See small LB only. Okay. Path. Everything is same only, right? Thank you, Ravi. Yeah, everything is small only. Let's see here. What is the problem, man? It's not
That
working.
asterisk symbol we didn't given, right? Star star.
No, we gave no. That one also we copied no from the chat GPT and we gave no star also. LB is small only. API one. You are ID. You
Sunil,
are a predicate. Yeah.
Sunil, in front
Yeah.
of that slash, right? A path is equal to slash is there, right? Give one a star. We'll try in that
Here.
way. Yeah,
Okay.
there.
Okay. Yeah.
We'll try
Wait.
that
This
way.
is the working application. This is the working application. Last time it worked. Just
Uh-huh.
we'll copy that. We'll try that. Okay. See, small mistake only, guys. That's it. We are good to go with gateway also. Okay. Right.
Maybe in order service, we use slash API slash order, right? In endpoint controller. But in LB, you give slash order. Maybe that is.
And POM, we'll see the POM file, see 3.5, okay? And cloud version 2025, okay? Gateway, Netflix, Eureka client, DevTools, okay? We'll copy this version, this one also. That's it, right? So application properties, nothing is there. And just config. Yeah, my filter is, this is security, guys. Okay, I will explain on high level, guys, security, okay? Done, right? Any annotation we gave? Let us see that extra annotation. That's it. No specific annotations, guys. Okay. Right. See, YAML file we copied and POM file we copied and filter also we copied. Okay. Let us switch to workspace, our own workspace. What is that? My Access workshop. Guys, yeah, thank you, Ravi. Thank you, Sai, for the feedback. Okay, guys, please try to give some feedback. It's the positive or negative. I don't mind. Okay, if it is something to change from my side, yeah, I will update. And if it is good, good. Okay. Thank you, Sai. Guys, I request explore saga patterns after this workshop. No, explore saga pattern. That will be very helpful, guys, for you. Okay. I can't teach everything in the workshop, right? So yeah, you can explore that. Just for 10 more minutes, guys. I just want you guys to wait for 10 more minutes so that yeah, we'll wrap at least the gateway. Okay.
Any weekend workshops, Sunil, like morning 9 to 6, evening 6? You can cover this Spring Boot and our microservices in depth.
I will check with management because every weekend I'm not free, right? That's the problem. Okay. Yeah. Okay.
Only one weekend, right? Well, you can take up in one weekend, Saturday, Sunday.
Let us see. Okay. Yeah. See, guys, here YAML. Guys, it is YML or is it impact? Okay. See, everything same. No, Spring Cloud Gateway. That is the only one difference I found. Apart from that, see, pay order. See, guys, just compare this one with this one, working one. Okay. Okay, Spring Gate, Cloud Gateway Server Webflex routes. Okay, that is normal one. This is normal one. Okay.
Project name is all are uppercase.
Yeah, just we need to copy only. That's it. Okay, need to copy. That's it. Okay. No need to do anything related to project name. Okay. Just will get this one. Okay. Okay. Yeah. API 1. control B and slash order service. Okay. Right. So everything got stopped. Oh my God. Which works up, everything got stopped. Okay. Yeah, just a minute. We'll restart again everything quickly. We'll change the POM file also, guys. Okay, we'll change the POM file also. What happened? Why error? Thank you, guys. Thanks for the feedbacks, man. Take one. Sure. Thanks, guys, for this feedback. Just we'll try to close this API gateway and we'll wrap up. Okay, just a few minutes. Something unexpected. Yeah, today. Yeah, let us start the Eureka. Everything will start. Okay.
So on 5th, you are starting this microservices and Spring Boot. How much you are charging
Yes,
and how many months, Sunil?
8K. They are charging 8K. Okay, not me. Okay, institute is charging 8K, and yeah, and 4 months. I can assure for 4 months. We'll wrap up in 4 months the course. Okay, and yeah, with multi cloud, Spring Boot with multi cloud. Okay, right. Multi cloud means we'll try to see the interaction of Spring Boot with AWS, Azure, and GCP, and we'll try to give Kafka, Docker, and microservice patterns and everything end to end. Okay, and we'll start with Spring Core. Okay, not directly Spring Boot. We'll start with Spring Core and we'll go for Spring Boot. Okay, right. Okay, 1 minute. Guys, just 10 more minutes, guys. Just wait. We'll wrap up. Actually, I was very confident. Last time, this gateway worked as expected. Okay, last class. Okay, but now something went wrong and it's messing up. Okay. Okay, it's already started. Huh? Okay. Wait, is it up? Yeah, thanks for letting me know, guys. Audio, I will improve the audio from my end. Okay. Admin is done, Eureka is done, payment is up. Okay. Yeah, 4 things are running, guys. Okay, and gateway is not ran. Okay, let us start with gateway. 999. Okay. Guys, one last time we'll try, guys. Okay, just a minute.
Okay. And how about the config server?
Config server you explore, guys. Okay, you see that is nothing but we will place some properties in the GitHub file. Okay, so from the GitHub file we'll try to fetch the properties. Okay.
Okay. Sure. Thank you.
Okay, that's it. Just a minute. Gateway is also running, right? Okay, let us hit one last time if it's working fine, or else we'll feel some time. 404. 1 minute. Which tab is not found? Order. Okay, order. Microsoft order service. Okay, order service. Okay, order. Is it matching here? API/order. Yeah. Guys, if possible, I'll teach in next workshop, guys, this API gateway, the last part.
Sure, Sunil.
Can you add /API in YAML file?
Sunil, give star. I told you, right? Star in beginning of that slash.
I think he's left.
Yeah. You should have given that a star in beginning of a slash. Path is equal to star slash something.
Yeah, maybe there might be a minor mistake there. Yeah, it happened openly.
Then he came back.
Yeah.
I'll share the notes. Okay, just you can drop, guys. Okay, that's it for the day. Okay, you can drop.
Thank you.
Yes. Thank you, Sunil. Okay. Bye.
Yeah.
Yeah, thanks, Rin. Thanks for your effort.
Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you,
Yeah.
Sunil.
All the way.
Yeah. Bye. All the best, guys. Very good. Yeah. All the best.
Yeah, Sunil, I sent message. Please help me the notes. Huh?
Yeah. Which one?
Notes, current
You are
notes.
able to share this. Hi, Sunil.
Yeah. I'll share the notes. Okay, in evening I'll share. Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye.